Welcome. If you're looking to remove an email address from your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Facebook update, the process is simple, but the steps have changed a bit. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps you need to follow to delete an email address from your Facebook page quickly and easily. First, open your preferred web browser and go to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main Facebook page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select the page you want to manage. This will take you directly to your Facebook page. Once you're on your page, look for the menu options just below your cover photo. Click on the About tab. This is where all your page's contact information is stored, including your email address. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Contact and Basic Info. Here, you'll spot your email address. Next to the email address, there's a small icon that looks like 3 dots, also known as the More icon. Click on this icon. A few options will pop up. Choose the option that says Delete. Facebook will ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this email address from your page. This is just to make sure you don't delete anything by accident. Go ahead and confirm your choice. Once you do, your email address will be permanently removed from your Facebook page's contact information. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your email address from your Facebook page using the latest update on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.